This is the tick. We use this if there was a possible structure fire or a fire, and we just put it out. Now what we do is when we turn it on, I'm not going to turn it on for you, but when we turn it on, say you want to aim it at a certain spot, it will tell you the degrees of that spot. Now, the way we do this, or some of the ways we do this, is to tell if there's like fire in the wall or something. What we do is we'll point it in the room at one wall, say there's no fire on that wall, and it's 65 degrees. We point it at the other wall that has a fire in it, and it's 172 degrees. Now, that helped us tell us where the fire is in the wall. And when it's black and white on here. When it's bright white, it means it's hot, like really hot. When it's black, it means it's cold. Say we go into a fire and we find a body, it'd be black because it's so cold. Now, here's the other Kenwood radio that I was telling you about. Something right here. This is the box light. You know, heavy duty flashlight, helps us get through the dark. So let me put this stick back in here. Nice and secure. Okay. Now on this side of the driver's side cab in the rear, 3 SCBA masks. Right here, the other Kenwood radio, another box light, and this is the carbon monoxide detector. This helps us just find gas in the house. Say someone calls on a gas, we would find this, see what it is, and we would tell them. That helps a lot. Now, right here, on the driver's side, is one flathead axe, one pickhead axe, discharge, and another discharge. Water comes out. Now this right here is an intake. This part. And then there's another smaller intake right here. Now, back here is the first compartment on the driver's side. Now these two big black cases back here are another two SCBAs. It's right here. Low level strainer in the water. Okay. These right here are 2 or 3 different adapters. Okay, we add them on there to put out a certain kind of water, or certain amount of water at a time, like PSI. Okay. The third one. Right here. Now, on the bottom compartment is all the adapters. Like these right here. These are considered female. The female adapters. Now we would add these on, you know, if we had to readjust them. Okay. These are male. Now, there are different ones. Like the threading right here, this is standard. There's 5 threads right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, in this big 6 box right here, you'll see right here, that there aren't as many. There's only 4. Now, these will fit in, but they will not stay in these. So we don't use them for these. We have to match them up the correct way. Right here, this big red thing right here, it's called the deck gun. These right here are the hydrant adapters. See the size difference? They will change the size of the hydrant to the size of the hose that we have. Now, these things right under here, there are 2 of these on both sides of the truck. Now, but on this side, on the driver's side, there are only 3. There's 2 right there, and 1 right here. As you can tell, these will. Now, in compartment 2 on the driver's side, there are 2 big jugs of Class B foam, a toolbox, and a 4 gas pump. Now this thing right here, foam adductor, takes foam out at a certain pace. See this dial right here? See that's at 2? It changes it compared to the water. So I see you can change it to 3, 2. These right here, there's 2 big things right here. One's red, one's yellow. You see it back there? These are called high-rise packs. Now what we do is we will bring these up stairs. Say we're in a huge apartment building and we can't run the hose up there, we would bring these up. And on the last compartment on the driver's side, here is an extra tick. One's in the cab, one's right here. There is a weapon called a tool called the Halligan in here, but I will show you that on the other side. Right here, this yellow tarp, it's the RIT tarp. Now, it used to be called RIC Crew. Now it's changed to Team. R-I-T. Also, there is, in the back corner, there is a spare tick battery. Now, on the bottom one, there is an electric powered fan and a gas powered fan. Now, we have 2 different ones because, say we get a call to a chemical fire. We don't want this running, because carbon dioxide would come out. We don't want that. We would bring this in here, you know, clear out the smoke and everything. Same with both of these. Now,